Children, today let's continue with exercise 9.1 of the chapter Rational Numbers. Sixth question. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Here we have to find out which of these pairs represent the same rational number. That means the value is same, or we call them as equivalent rational numbers. In sixth question, we are going to find out which of the following numbers form the same rational number. Here negative 7 by 21 and 3 by 9 are given. Which of these form same rational number? Okay, that means we have to find out whether they are equivalent or not. To find out that, we should bring them to their simplest form. So here negative 7 by 21 can be brought to standard form by dividing it with 7, because 7 is a common factor for 7 and 21. So let's divide. We get here negative 1 by 3. Now when you take 3 by 9, we get 3 by 9 can be divided with 3 in the numerator and in the denominator, and we get it as 1 by 3. Now 1 is reduced, that is negative 7 by 21 is reduced to 1 by 3, negative 1 by 3, and 3 by 9 is reduced to 1 by 3. They are not equal because one is negative, other rational number is positive. That means they are not equal. So we can write here not equal. Let's see next two rational numbers, 8 by negative 5 and negative 24 by 15. So here 8 by negative 5 is in simplest form. We cannot reduce it more. But negative 24 by 15 is not in its simplest form. We can reduce it to simplest form now. That is, the common factor for both of these is 3. So we can divide it with 3. When you divide numerator and denominator with 3, you get negative 8 by 5. Now we can see that this is 8 by negative 5 and this is negative 8 by 5. Either the negative sign is in the denominator or in the numerator, it's same. So this rational number 8 by negative 5 is equivalent to this rational number negative 8 by 5. So they both are equal. Look at another two rational numbers, negative 5 by negative 9 and 5 by negative 9. When you rewrite this, you get negative 5 by negative 9 as 5 by 9. Because both numerator and denominator are negative, that means the rational number is positive, 5 by 9. These both negative gets cancelled, it becomes positive. And the other one is 5 by negative 9. They are not equal because one is a negative rational number and other one is a positive rational number. So they are not equal. In the seventh question, we are going to rewrite the following rational numbers into its simplest form. To rewrite into simplest form, we need to divide them with their HCF, that is the highest common factor. So you know the method to find the HCF. To find HCF of 44, you need to get the factors of 44. So let's find out the factors of 44. Factors of 44 are 2, 2 and 11. Let's take the next number, that is 72, and find out the factors of 72. You get 3, 6, 2, 1, 8, 2, 9, 3, 3. So here we can see that the factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have here 2 into 2 and we have here also 2 into 2. So take 1 2 from this and 1 2 from this. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 is the HCF here. So let's divide both these numbers with the HCF, that is 4 divided by 4. When you divide negative 44 by 4, you get here negative 11, and 72 by 4, you get 18. So here it is negative 11 by 18, which is the simplest form of negative 44 by 72. Same way you can do part 1 and part 2 of this question. For negative 8 by 6, HCF of 8 and 6 is 2. So when you divide with that, you get negative 4 by 3, which is the simplest form. 25 by 45, HCF is 5. So when you divide each with 5, you get 5 by 9. Next is the 8th question. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater than, less than and equal to. Boxes are given in between two rational numbers. You have to fill it with these symbols to find out which one is greater and which is smaller, or whether they are equal. Now, to compare two rational numbers, it is necessary that their denominators should be same. Here the first question, negative 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Their denominators are different. So what we should do? We have to make those denominators same by finding their LCM. So for the first rational number, the denominator is 7. And second rational number, denominator is 3. Now to make both the denominators same, multiply 7 with 3 and 3 with 7. So same way, multiply the numerators also. So we get negative 5 into 3 by 7 into 3 and 2 into 7 by 3 into 7. So we get it as negative 15 by 21 and 14 by 21. From this we can easily decide that 14 by 21 is bigger than negative 15 by 21, because first one is a negative rational number. So it is smaller. Consider the second part of the question, negative 4 by 5 and negative 5 by 7. So now make the denominators same. So first rational number can be multiplied with 7 and second rational number can be multiplied with 5. So you get negative 28 by 35 and negative 25 by 35. Now we know that towards 0, negative 25 by 35 is near. So negative 25 by 35 will be bigger than negative 28 by 35, because 25 by 35 is nearer to 0 than 28 by 35. Now the ninth question is, which is greater in each of the following? It is same as the previous one. We have to compare which one is greater by making the denominators equal. Then only we can compare them. So to make the denominators same, let's take the LCM, or you can cross multiply also. 2 by 3 into 2 into 2, because the other denominator is 2. You get here 4 by 6. And the other one, 5 by 2 into 3 into 3. You get here 15 by 6. Now both the denominators have become 6. Here it is easy to find out which is bigger. Now which one has bigger numerator? That is bigger. So we can see that 15 by 6 is bigger than 4 by 6. Or what is 15 by 6? 15 by 6 is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is bigger than 2 by 3. This is the answer. Now let's find out which one is greater among these two mixed fractions. Negative 3 2 by 7 and negative 3 4 by 5. First we need to convert it to improper fraction. So negative 3 2 by 7 is 7 3s are 21 plus 2, it is 23 by 7. And negative 3 4 by 5 is 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 is 19, so 19 by 5. Now let's make both the denominators same by multiplying. So multiply first rational number with 5 and second rational number with 7. So we get negative 115 by 35 and negative 133 by 35. In this, negative 115 by 35 is bigger. So negative 3 2 by 7 is greater than negative 3 4 by 5. Now comes the 10th question. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Here 3 rational numbers are given. We have to find out which one is bigger and which is smaller and arrange them in ascending order. The same procedure as the previous question. We have to make the denominators same and find out which is bigger and which is smaller and arrange them. Here we have to find out the LCM. So here LCM is equal to 9. Least common multiple is 9. So let's make the denominators 9. For that you have to multiply this with the 9 and you have to multiply this denominator with the 3. When you multiply 3 with 3 you get 9. So other one will become negative 2 by 9. 9 is already 9, so you have to multiply only 1 with that. And the last one is 4 by 3. Here also to make this 3 into 9 you have to multiply it with a 3. This is also with a 3. So you get here negative 3 by 9. Next one negative 2 by 9 and next one is negative 12 by 9. Here we can find out which is bigger. Now which is nearest to 0 or nearest to positive integer, that is negative 2 by 9. So this is biggest one and then comes this and then comes negative 12 by 9. We have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So here ascending order is equal to, ascending order is negative 12 by 9 which is smaller than negative 3 by 9 which is again smaller than negative 2 by 9. This is the ascending order. Next let's do the third part of the 10th question. Negative 3 by 7, negative 3 by 2 and negative 3 by 4. Arrange them in ascending order. Here the LCM of the denominators 7, 2 and 4 is 28. So we have to make all the denominators of each rational number 28. So 7 into 4 is 28. Same way numerator negative 3 into 4. Next rational number 2 into 14 is 28. At the same time negative 3 into 14. And the last one is negative 3 by 4. 4 into 7, 28. So negative 3 into 7. So we get the new rational numbers as negative 12 by 28, negative 42 by 28 and negative 21 by 28. In this negative 42 by 28 is the smallest. Then comes negative 21 by 28 and at last negative 12 by 28. This is the ascending order.